2 to the 100 factorial is divisible by 2 to the power n. Find the maximum value of n. Okay, so 100 factorial is divisible by 2 to the power n. Find the maximum value of it. So see, 2 divides 100 factorial. 2 square also divides 100 factorial. 2 cube divides 100 factorial, and 2 to the power n divides 100 factorial. What is the maximum value of n? Okay, for solving this type of problem, just divide 100 by this prime number 2, quotient is 50, then divide 50 by 2, quotient 25, divide 25 by 2, quotient 12, divide 12 by 2, quotient 6, divide 6 by 2, quotient 3, divide 3 by 2, quotient 1. Okay, then calculate this sum. 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. It is 75, 87, 93, 96, 97. Okay. So 2 to the power 97 divides 100 factorial. Question is find the maximum value of n such that 2 to the power n divides 100 factorial. Okay. So for solving this type of problem, just divide 100 by this prime number 2. Quotient is 50, divide 50 by 2, quotient 25, divide quotient 25 by 2, 12, 12 by 6, 2, 6, quotient 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 50 plus 25 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. That is the value of n. So n equals to 50 plus 25 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. It is 97. Okay, so 2 to the power 97 divides 100 factorial, but 2 to the power 98 does not divide 100 factorial. Okay. So maximum value of n is 97. Okay. So maximum value of n is 97. Next question. 60 factorial is divisible by 6 to the power n. 60 factorial is divisible by 6 to the power n. Find the maximum value of n. Okay. 60 factorial is divisible by 6 to the power n. Here base is 6. That is composite number. So first write it as product of two prime numbers. Product of prime, 6 can be written as product of prime as 2 into 3. Okay, so divide 60 factorial. 60 factorial is divisible by 6 to the power n. So first divide 60 by 2, quotient 30, divide 30 by 2, 15, 15 by 2, 7, divide 7 by 2, 3, 3 by 2, 1. Calculate this sum. So 30 plus 15, 45, 52, 55, 56. Okay, so 2 to the power 56, 2 to the power 56 divides 60 factorial. So maximum power of 2, that is 56, when 2 to the power 56 divides 60 factorial. Now divide 60 by 3 and find quotient. 60 by 3, quotient 20, divide 20 by 3, quotient 6, divide 6 by 3, quotient 2. Calculate this sum. 20 plus 6 plus 2, it is 28. So 3 to the power 28 divides 60 factorial. Okay, 2 to the power 56 divides 60 factorial. 3 to the power 28 divides 60 factorial. Question is 60 factorial is divisible by 6 to the power n, and find the maximum value of n. And the maximum value of n, 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 to the power 56 divides 60 factorial. 3 to the power 28 divides 6 factorial. Question is find the maximum value of n. This n is the minimum of these two, 56 and 28. Minimum of 56 and 28 is minimum of 56 and 28. That is 28. So the value of n, maximum value of n is 28. Okay. Next problem. 120 factorial is divisible by 12 to the power n. Find the maximum value of n. 120 factorial is divisible by 12 to the power n. Find the maximum value of n. First write 12 as product of primes. So 12 is 4 into 3. That is 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. Okay. So first divide 120 by 2. 120 by 2. Quotient 60, divide 60 by 2, 30, divide 30 by 2, quotient 15, 15 by 2, quotient 7, 3, 2, 1. Calculate this sum. that is 60 plus 30 plus 15 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1. It is 90, 105, 112, 115, 116. So 2 to the power 9, 2 to the power 116 divides 120 factorial. 2 to the power 116 divides 2 to the power 116 divides 120 factorial. So 2 square to the power 58, 2 square to the power 58 divides 120 factorial. Okay. So 2 to the power 116 divides 120 factorial. So 2 square to the power 2 into 58, that is 116. So 2 square to the power 58 divides 120 factorial. Now divide 120 by 3. 120 by 3 quotient is 40. Divide 40 by 3. It is 13. Divide 13 by 3. 4. 4 by 3. 1. So calculate this sum of quotient. That is 40 plus 13. 53, 57, 58. Okay. So 3 to the power 58. 3 to the power 58 divides 120 factorial. 2 square to the power 58 divides 120 factorial. 3 to the power 58 divides 120 factorial. And 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. So the value of n is minimum of 58 and 58. Minimum of 58 and 58 is 58. So maximum value of n is 58. So 120 factorial is divisible by 12 to the power n, maximum value of n. So first write 12 as product of time, 2 square into 3, then divide 120 by 2, then calculate sum of quotient. Sum of quotient is 116. Now write 2 square into the power 58 divides 120 factorial. Similarly 3 to the power 58 divides 120 factorial. So just find minimum of these two, that is 58. Okay. Write one homework. 146 factorial is divisible by 5 to the power n. Find the maximum value of n. Options are 34, 35, 36 and 59. Okay. So take this problem as homework. So in next class we'll solve some problems related to remainder theorem. Okay.